show. Can we change it?
No, Shrek is the best.
No, it's not. It's so boring. It's for
No,
babies.
what do you want?
I want to watch Harry Potter.
No, this is the worst.
To be fair, why does it always have to be about you?
No, it's Shrek. It's in my house. No. Can't see.
That was puppy.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yes, but I can't be bothered. Let's keep watching the movie.
No, that's creepy.
Yeah.
Maybe you should go check it out.
No, you check it out.
No.
You.
No, you have to check it out because it's your house.
No, we can do it together then.
Fine.
Oh, there's no one there. That's so
That's
weird.
creepy. Let's just go back.
That's so weird. Another knock.
I didn't hear it. Why are you opening the door?
There's a
Oh,
next
this is weird.
We
are delighted to have you for a banquet with jelly. 6
Reaper Willows, 810
Zip from Jellyman.
Where's 666 Reaper Willows?
I don't know. Music! Let's just follow that.
Welcome to my banquet.
Where is everyone?
They're here.
We heard laughing and chattering. What is this music?
It's the music of the guests. But I thought they didn't arrive.
What time are they gonna arrive?
About now.
What's the matter, Daisy?
There's blood and someone's dead! Did you kill her? Yes, I killed her while you were chatting away.
Oh my god!
And now I shall kill you too! Stop, please! It's the Johnny or Die! Can't be bothered.
Maybe we should go check it out, wasn't it? Did you hear that? What time would you say they're gonna come?
Someone's dead! Wait, no, cut. Rufus!
He
Right,
went
have
to
you started?
bed and lost his head. He
No, wait,
never woke
3,
up in the morning.
2, 1, action. It's raining, it's